Okay, I am going to show you how to use Adobe Spark on your computer. It looks very similar to what it does when we use it on the iPad. You're going to come to your projects page after you've logged in, and as always you're going to hit that yellow plus sign, and then it's going to ask what would you like to create. As we do on the iPad, we want to create a video. Gives us more options. And for me, it's going to have me log in again. Here, we're going to add our title. So, for me, on my example project, I said what our region is, which was the Midwest, and then my state, which was Kansas. Yours, of course, won't be Kansas, but you can do Midwest region, then your hyphen, and whatever your state is. So, I'm just going to title it Your State. After you have that, you can hit Next. Here they have templates for you to start your video. It is easiest if you click to the very end and go to Make Up My Own. That gives us all the options we want. You're free to try the others, but I'm showing you what I did with mine. We have already been over the tips, so we're going to go here. Now you can hit on this far right side, it gives you an option of what themes you want to choose. That is completely up to you, whatever you feel most comfortable with. For this example, I'm going to go with blueprint right here. So it changes the screen to the blue color. Now this is my very first slide. If you look down here in the bottom left hand corner, the plus sign still means that you would add a slide. The play button is just going to preview what we've got. So let's go back to our first slide here. Where it says the 2S, that controls how long we have this slide open. I want this slide to play for 10 seconds. That's about as far as you can go. And I'm going to go back over to where the themes were, and I'm going to see what I want my layout to look like. They give us 4 options here. I can do full screen plus a thing, I can do one thing, I can do thing and a caption, or I can do 2 things. I have found that if you want to add video of yourself showing something or just talking, then the best option is to do full screen plus thing or one thing. So either of those will work for video. In this instance, I'm just going to show you how to add a picture. I'm going to go to full screen and a thing. So you can see this plus sign here. It says to add a photo or a video. Let's say I want to add a photo. We can upload a photo from our device, or we can go find a photo. And these are all within the website. I'm going to search for a photo of, let's say, Kansas. And it has many different pictures. I like this one here. So, because it was the plus sign on the outside, that's going to be my background. If I want to add text on top of this picture, I can go to this middle plus sign and I can either add text, photo, or an icon. I have the option to add another photo on top of that. I'm going to add text here just to show you what that looks like. And let's say Kansas. I'm going to enter Midwest region. Now that I have that done, if I want to add narration onto this slide, all I have to do is hit this red button here, and I speak as long as I would like, saying what I want to say. It lets you talk for about 10 seconds per slide. All you do is record that, so let's do that here. This presentation is going to be about Kansas, which is located in the Midwest region. So as soon as I'm done recording, I click off of the red microphone and then it's already ready to go. Now I can preview this slide. This presentation is going to be about Kansas, which is located in the Midwest region. So we previewed that slide. It even put music on that slide automatically for us. If I don't like that music they have, I'm going to come back over to my far right hand side where it says music. At the top I have the option of if I want music or not. If I don't want music at all, I can hit that option and then there is no music that goes along with this slideshow. However, I do have the option to put that music back on, and then I can click whatever of these songs I would like. Now let's go to our next slide, and let's say instead of narrating, I want to just add a video of myself talking that I've already taken and it's already on my computer. I'm going to click here at the plus sign and click video. And then within my documents is where I find that video. So this should already be saved to our computer, and we'll just click on that video and it will import it into our slideshow. Again, down here we change how long we want that slide to be. Let's say I want this slide to be 10 seconds long again. And for this example, I'm going to add, let's say, an icon. And I'm going to do here's one of Kansas right here. So with that icon, I'm just going to leave it there. And then we're going to preview the entire slideshow that we have this far. And I can do that by coming to the very top and clicking the preview button. This presentation is going to be about Kansas, which is located in the Midwest region. So, if I think that looks okay, which of course yours will have more information, I will hit the exit from the preview, and then when I'm ready to publish this, when I am completely done, I feel it is ready to go, after I've reviewed it and I've edited it and I've had my peers look at it, I can go to the share button at the top, and here is where I get ready to share it. Check my title here, check the author, can't remove the Spark branding. Where it says get noticed, meaning your project will show up on Adobe Spark's website, that should be off. After we have all of that ready to go, it looks like we have to pick a category. Let's pick education and create link. Now it's going to take a while to load and create this link. We can see here at the top that red button is loading, the same thing as it does on your iPad. So we'll wait for that to load. And this is what the screen will look like after that link has been created. So here you have the option to email it, or you can just copy it from the bar here. Of course, we don't use Facebook or Twitter, so your options will be to email or copy that. You'll copy and paste that into an email it to yourself or me, and it will be ready to go. You can, if you are on a computer, download this. You can see where my mouse is. We have this option of downloading. We'll download it to the computer and then we will save it. That should be all. If you have questions about this, please let me know. Thank you.